In this video, we will learn how to install the NumPy in Python. So this library is widely used in the machine learning and especially in data mining. So first of all, open the IDLE, that is for the Python, and click on File New. After that, once new file opened, then click on File and Save As. So when you will click here on Save As now, so then you will find the path where your Python installation in your system. So this is very important because we need to install this NumPy library. Where we need to install? In this folder where our Python is. Okay, so just copy this path and then open the terminal with cmd. Here, like here, you will type cmd. Okay, and the terminal will be open. So here, after coming in the terminal, then cd, you have to write cd, and then you need to paste this address that you have copied from here. Save as, when you click save as and you copied the address now where a Python is installed on your system. So after giving the command cd, paste this url, so you will be in this folder. Then you need to give the command python-m pip install numpy. So this NumPy will be installed in your system and you will be able to use it. So this is the simplest guide that how you can install the NumPy in your Python system. Thank you.